My name is Richard. My wife and I moved here from the middle of Toronto 6 years ago. And after being here for the first 5 years, we decided that we needed a name for our place, and the name is Walnut Glen, in recognition of the fact that we are covered with gorgeous tall black walnut trees. The attraction was the creek. It's got such a beautiful watercourse in it. We've got 700 feet of Ancaster Creek. The creek was badly clogged with debris and the garbage and detritus of 30 years, 40 years of neglect. It was just in really, really bad shape. It was clogged with invasive species. You name it, we had the problem. The first summer that we were here, number one was cleaning up the creek, getting junk and debris out of the creek so that the aquatic life had a chance to repopulate. The other thing was the creek was lined with buckthorn along with other invasive species. It was a huge job getting those out. We recognize that it's going to be a process that takes some time, and over a number of seasons, nothing happens immediately. But be confident the effort you put into restoring your property, being a good steward of your property, will pay off. The variety of plant growth that we have here now, beautiful flowers, and just creates a gorgeous landscape for us. But the rewards are just absolutely immense. I think stewardship is a really appropriate word to describe how we feel about this property. This property has been here for thousands of years. We are nothing more than temporary stewards of it. We want to make sure that we keep this property in as good condition for a combination of its natural beauty and as habitat for all types of species, whether they be flora or fauna. The wildlife that's come back to this property is quite amazing, and the birds, the insect population, everything, it's just wonderful to see. We keep seeing opportunities to make things better and better.